In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless transition effect in Canva by duplicating and splitting elements across two pages. Whether you're putting together a slideshow, a presentation, or just exploring Canva for creative projects, this technique will come in handy for adding some smooth transitions to your designs. Let's start by opening up your Canva document. If you're new to Canva or haven't worked with documents before, just log into your Canva account and navigate to the design you want to work on. It's that simple. With your document open, the first thing you're going to want to do is insert an element. This could be anything from a shape, a graphic, or even a photo that suits your theme. Once the element is on the page, you'll need to duplicate it. Think of this as creating a mirrored effect to split the visual across two different canvases. After duplicating your element, the next step will involve a little bit of cropping to manage the way this dual element display will work. You'll want to crop each element in such a way that they each represent half of the whole. This allows the element to appear as if it's spanning across both pages. Place the first half on your first page, then shift over to the second page and set the other half there. This setup achieves a fluid look where your element visually continues from one page to the next. Now, with your element set in place, we'll add that crucial transition. You'll need to click between the two pages where you've positioned your elements. Here, you're going to select the Add Transition option. For this project, choose the Slide transition and make sure it's set to slide to the right. Adding this effect will create that smooth, connecting motion we're aiming for. To see how your transition looks in action, you'll use the Preview option. Click on it to activate the visual demonstration. This preview will show both pages connecting seamlessly as your element slides from the first to the second page. This transition ensures your design flows smoothly, creating a more engaging experience for your viewers. And that's it, you're done. You now have a cool, dual page effect that enhances the dynamic quality of your presentation. This relatively simple technique can make a significant difference in how your projects are perceived, adding a layer of professionalism and creativity. Now that you've successfully learned how to duplicate and transition elements across pages in Canva, feel free to experiment with different styles and customize the transitions to fit various themes. It's a great way to add something special to your designs, making them stand out more impressively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this new trick in your creative work.